Forgot to stick. Okay, so flip cup, and yeah, doing another 11 by 14 inch canvas. Should be interesting. I'm going to add it to 3 colors. Silicone to 3 colors. Can't even remember where I put my silicone. There it is. Okay, first I'm going to add it to my Liquitex raw umber. I am also going to add it to I don't know. I know now. Okay. My Liquitex Basics Red Oxide. It's a nice, actually looks like rust red, in my opinion, which is neat. Or orange. Red. Orange. Yeah. I'm also going to add it to, because why not, my 14 karat gold, because I think gold would go nice with what I have going on here. So, there, gold. I love these stacking cups, make my life easier. Okay. That just came out a little bit faster. This is the silicone oil I am adding to my paints. So, we've had a lot of cats go missing in our neighborhood lately, and we found the culprit tonight. Culprits, I guess? We found a mating pair of coyotes in our green space in our area, so that was interesting to say the least. The other colors I shall be using today are Liquitex Carbon Black. I literally just opened these not too long ago. Oh, whatever. Figure that out later. Folk Art Coffee Bean. Coffee bean, again, mixed with some titanium white to make it like a lighter color. And last but not least, but Liquitex Basics in phthalo green, because it's pretty green. Okay, so I'm gonna add black through it. You'll see what I mean at the end. I got my black open at least. Yay! So I'll do this green first. Some of the raw umber. I'm just seeing what I had for. Ooh, that was gloopy. I really didn't mean for it to be that gloopy. That was awkward. Here's the other brown. Add the gold. Do it all over again. Because why not? Green. Umber. Please. Really slow moving. Whoops. Umber. This. And the rest of the oxide. Other brown. There's some gold. I'm gonna add black like that. Oops. Okay. So now I'm going to add my lids to things. Clean some stuffs up. Okay. Flip. I'm hoping this won't turn out too bad, you know? Hoping if I can take a bunch of like some not really pretty colors, mix them together and make pretty colors, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so now I have that. Okay. Using Artist Loft Titanium White, I mixed it with Floetrol and water in the bottle because I didn't have that much left. I figured it'd make my life easier if I could just do this with it, you know? There. I'm sorry if I sound funny. Went out for a walk, and then because I went for a walk, it like stimulated all my allergies, I guess. So now I'm all like, I can't really. Just issues, I guess. Yay. This is actually going very well. A lot better than I thought, considering the size of my tiny palette knife here. And I'm getting a lot better with this palette knife, I must say. I know it sounds like I'm scraping, but I'm really not. Telling you that now. No, I'm just trying to get it even. Yeah. Sorry, that sounds so rough. Okay. Tappity tap tap. Yeah, okay. This is how, give me a second, my pink pour tried. That's how this, yeah, I like it. I'm excited to get it all finished and stuff, and yeah. I guess it's still kind of wet, but it's actually like dry. Just looks kind of damp. Okay. The bubbles. Seeing what I can get out of this just for fun. I find that sometimes, like, the higher I hold it, the more I can just get out of the actual cup, but it's just in an effort not to waste paint, but nah. Okay, go that way first. Shush it back. I don't want to lose that gold spot thing, so I'm gonna dump it this way first. Yep. Oh, wow, that's a lot of paint. It's not a clump. I hope not. If it is, no, it's not a clump. It's neat. I can see some of the silicone and stuff popping. Oh. Yay, neighbors with trucks. I don't know. Not really a fan of this so far. Well then. Ugh. Whatever. Let's see what comes up with the torch, because this is not my cup of tea so far. And my torch is on the other side of the room. Of course. I don't know, I kind of like it. I kind of don't, though. I guess I'm just gonna have to see what happens. Why not? Got paint on the table. Let's play with it. So remember, I added it to the raw umber, the red oxide, and the gold. And yeah, this looks different, to say the least. I'll get you down for a close-up because, well, that's all that's left at this point. So yeah. I honestly thought I could take some pretty, I guess, not standard ugly colors and turn them into something nice, but I'm not too thrilled about this one. Let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. Like this video if you like this painting. Share with your friends to spread the love. Follow me on social media so you know when I am uploading a new video or have uploaded a new video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.